So I have the DEWOO self-adhesive wall tiles here. Now I just got done installing these and I will just want to do a quick video and show y'all how nice these things were and also how easy they were. So they came in this package right here. I got them in. They were all just packed down in here. I got the 10 piece, but I think you can go from 1, 5, and all the way up to like 20 pieces per each one. Let me show you exactly how these things work. When cutting, it's best to cut as shown in the picture. I took a pair of scissors. These things were very easy to cut. You can use either a box cutter or a pair of scissors or something like that. Cut the shape that you want so you can form like a square. When you get them all the way you want, they actually overlap each other. So there's some overlap in here and you can't even see where the overlap happens. If you do it correctly, look how close you have to get right here to see where I overlapped them. That's how nice these things came together. So looking over the recommended here, you can go plastic, glass, smooth tile, wood, paint, flat walls. This is on a painted flat wall. You can't go around contour or anything like that. And these are not for high temperature. They are not like tile. See how I have my stove here? Make sure you're 10 to 12 inches away. So I'm away from it here. I don't see any issues with that at all, being around the end of the stove. Let me show you what I got. So let me throw a before picture up and I'll show you how I had this ugly green wall that goes behind my stove and my countertops here. And you can see the way that looks. Now look at it now. So I added this little kind of board right here. I cut it so it butts up against that, so it has more like a start and finish. And then I blended them together right here. They overlap, and it just kind of like goes all the way down. Put it behind these pots and pans, and then I put it over here, and I put another board to give a good stopping point. So I did the entire kind of backsplash right there, and look how nice that turned out. This looks really good. This is an older model house, and I've been kind of like renovating here and there, and trying to stay very affordable. This tile, I might end up doing more once I kind of get going, but we're going to kind of redo these cabinets too. I'm going to rip these old cabinets off and replace all these. That's a project for another day, but right now I want to do this something quick and easy, and I recommend these things. I think they're great. I think they look really good for what they are. Yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on that self-adhesive wall tiles. See you on the next video.